Hello everyone, welcome to cartography. In the previous session, we were discussing on the nature and the scope of the subject of cartography and its various branches. Basically, cartography is the science and art of preparing and producing maps. So in today's session, let's look into what is a map and what are the various types of map. A map can be generally defined as the representation of Earth's pattern as a whole or part of it, or it can be represented as a heavens on a plane surface with conventional signs drawn to scale and projection so that each and every point of it will correspond to the actual terrestrial or celestial position. The word map is derived from the Latin word meaning mappa. Let's look into the classification of maps. Generally, the maps are classified into cadastral, topographical, wall maps, and atlas map. Cadastral maps are those maps that are drawn to show the ownership of landed property by demarcating field boundaries like agricultural land, individual house plots, etc. They are prepared by the government agencies to release revenue and taxes along with keeping a record of these ownerships. Topographical maps are generally based on precise surveys and are prepared in the form of series of maps made by the national mapping agencies. In India, Survey of India undertook the topographical mapping of the entire country at 1:250,000, 50,000 and 25,000 scale. Wall maps are generally drawn on large size paper or on a plastic base for use in the classrooms or in the lecture halls. The scale of such maps are generally smaller than the topo sheets but larger than an atlas map. Atlas maps generally represent fairly large areas and present highly generalized picture of the physical or the cultural features of the earth. On the basis of scale, maps are classified into small scale maps, medium scale maps and large scale maps. Small scale maps shows large areas with lesser details. Generally, the scale is below 1:10 lakh for the small scale maps. The best example of a small scale map is Atlas map. Medium scale maps are those maps that falls between the scale of 1:63,360 or 1:10 lakh scale. The million sheets of the Survey of India and the National Atlas of India are generally drawn at medium scale. The large scale maps are generally showing smaller areas with greater details. These maps are prepared at a scale of 1:63,000 and 360 less. The Survey of India topo sheets of 1:25,000, 1:50,000 and the cadastral maps are examples of such type of large scale maps. On the basis of relief representation, the maps are classified into hypsometric and planimetric maps. Hypsometric maps are those which show the relief and the terrain in detail more than any other details. The large scale topographical maps prepared by the Survey of India falls under such type of category. The planimetric map at the same time lays more emphasis on other details and limit the relief of the portrayal to a few spot heights here and there. Most thematic maps representing the cultural features of landscape fall under such type of category. On the basis of information, the maps are again classified into general purpose maps, thematic maps, and special maps. The general purpose maps are generally in nature, having a very general type that give a variety of information ranging from administrative boundaries to roads and land cover and even the physical features. At the same time, thematic maps are special maps that shows or focus on portraying a single phenomenon or a feature or a theme like geology or weather, soil, population, and so on. Special purpose maps are those maps which are constructed for a group of people having special perpetual problems or targeted at certain features. It includes the maps for the children, the maps for the neoliterates, for the blind, or for business and commercial organizations. On the basis of military use, the maps are classified into general, strategic, tactical, and photo maps. General maps with a scale of 1:10 lakh or above depict only broad topographic features and are usually used by high command for general planning purpose. Strategic map at the same time are used for general planning of more concentrated military actions. Maps on a scale ranging from 1:10 lakh to 1:5 lakh are usually classified as strategic maps. A tactical map serves as a guide to small units like battalions and patrol units prior to and during the movement near the front line. These maps are generally on a scale of 1:50 or 500,000 or below. These maps give the relief and planimetric data and are used in tactical planning by smaller combat units. At times, maps having scale of 1:250,000 are also called as strategic tactical maps. A photo map is an air photograph with a strategic and tactical data superimposed on it. It is not a map in the true sense. It is a map substitute. A photo map may constitute just one photograph, or it may be a mosaic composed of several photographs. The scales of such photo maps range from 1:5,000 to 1:60,000. On the basis of visibility, the maps are classified into real maps and virtual maps. Any cartographic product which can be viewed directly and has a tangible, permanent reality in the form of hard copy, produced manually, mechanically, or electronically, can be categorized as a real map. The virtual maps can be found in three types. The type 1 is a cartographic image which can be viewed directly but only as a tangent reality. The type 2 is a cartographic image of permanent tangible reality, but it cannot be viewed directly. The type 3 does not have the characteristic of either the type 1 or the type 2, but it can be converted to a real map as readily as the other two types of virtual maps. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Post your queries or suggestions in the comment box or in the Google Classroom. I wish everyone a great day ahead. Thank you.